This is not applicable for us. The discussion is not here.
No, LOPC during from the live amnesty. Correct, you're right. So
You can mention the barrier policy in the mitigation also, yeah.
Which one saying?
Yeah, R8, you can, in the mitigation, you can mention the double barrier or double isolation policy. As a
Double block and bridge. Double block and bridge. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
رقم البلدة 307 رقم الأسرة 26 9. اوكي.
And you have a lot of procedure there.
Yeah, that's right.
Good. For this one R10 for explosive material. Handling of this one, this personal injury and the property damage.
No, here, please, handling of, what is the column B title?
Column B is
construction.
column B is CMOS one activity. Handling and use of and use.
Explosive material. Okay.
This is correct. This can happen. Personal injury due to explosion.
Personal injury, property damage due to explosion.
Here, we can take multiple fatality, right?
Yeah, possible. Yeah, worst case scenario. Or injury.
So here.
اللي هو هي الثاني. لا.
This is 5C. So we have WMS, okay. Assessment method statement, handbooks, to the procedure will go. And number 7.
Approved, no, not approved construction contractor. You can put approved contractor.